Welcome to the Backyard Smoke Show with Outdoor Home. I'm Kenny, and today we're making buffalo chicken monkey bread on the Big Green Egg. So we decided to move inside today for this portion of our recipe because it is a little bit of prep involved. Nice thing about this recipe, you can do the prep ahead of time. You can make this the day before, you can make it weeks before and actually put it in the freezer. So what we've got here is some grilled chicken. I've got chicken that we grilled. We seasoned it with our smoky honey habanero from Spiceology. Great stuff, got a little kick to it that goes good with this recipe. So we grilled that up and then we shredded it, let it cool, and then shredded it. So now I'm gonna mix our ingredients. I've got some shredded cheese. We'll put in with the chicken. We have cream cheese. And we're gonna mix all this together. I'll mix a little bit and then add sauce. All right, now that we've got that all good and mixed together, we're gonna set this aside and get our crescent dough ready. We'll keep things going here. We're gonna go ahead and get our pan ready. So I've got a greased pan. We're gonna put some of our buffalo wing sauce in the bottom. Just a nice coating on the bottom. Drizzle a little bit of our ranch. Okay, so now we'll work on what we have here is crescent dough that we rolled out flat. You can do the triangles, but this is the sheet. You just want a nice big rectangle. And we're gonna start by cutting this. Just start in the middle, make a cut across, and across the other direction. Again, down lengthwise. And then here we wanna go in thirds. And if my math is right, you'll get 24 squares. So the next process, we're gonna take and put some of this mixture on each of the squares. So you just continue. You wanna make sure you don't get these too big because you gotta wrap the dough around it. So you just continue this until you fill them all up. So once you have all the squares filled with some of the mixture, then you're just gonna take each one and fold in the corners and just make it into a nice little ball, and then set it right inside the pan. And again, as you can see, it's kind of time consuming, but this prep can be done ahead of time. Put it in the freezer and warm it back up whenever you like. So once you get the first layer in the pan, then we're gonna brush it with some melted butter. We've actually melted butter, and then we added some more of the smoky honey habanero seasoning in there as well. So just gonna take a basting brush, put a butter over the top of all of these. So then once you're done with that, you can go with another, and then you'll do the same thing with the butter. We've got another sheet pan that we're gonna do. All right, so we're coming to the end here. The pan is just about full. And just take these last few, find a spot for them, wedge them in the pan. This was the second crescent sheet. Once you get that done, baste it one more time with the butter and seasoning mixture. And as a reminder, we have all this stuff, all the sauce, the seasonings at Outdoor Home, and you can try it a sample cup at a time. You don't have to commit if you want to try this recipe, but not buy the whole jar. We sample over 100 seasonings at our, so that's ready to go. So if you're going to, if you want to cook it now, which we're going to do today, we're going to take it right outside and bake it on the Big Green Egg for about 45 minutes. It's been about 45 to 50 minutes. And we are now done on our buffalo chicken monkey bread. You can see what you're looking for. You can see the butter's kind of bubbling on the sides there. All the biscuit dough is cooked right there in the center. So we're gonna pull this off and let it rest. We have our rested monkey bread. So the last step, we're just gonna take this and turn it over. If you'd like a recipe, you can go to ky3.com, or you can stop by Outdoor Home for a printed copy, talk to the experts, and get all your tailgating needs.